Curtis Barton, the CEO of Alkeme, and we're really excited to be here at Carrier Day. All of our people are here enjoying it. It's nice to meet all the employees after COVID and see everybody out having a good time. So we're super excited.
So I'm hoping that we really get the opportunity to embrace and learn who is specializing where, and how do we look at that as, hey, opportunity to work with others, minimizing our workload, but maximizing our profit.
On behalf of ITW, I want to thank all of our Alkeme partners for this generous and amazing awards. We are so grateful to have such wonderful partners throughout the state of California.